Mitten, well, it's way above that, over the bridge and through the woods. And anyway, there's a 110-foot waterfall somewhere up there. So I had 3 designations. Yeah, there we go. One on the other side of Michigan, which is the sand dunes. I don't think I'll hit that one this trip. Oh, I just ran over a skunk. Anyway, a dead skunk, so don't worry. It was roadkill. That was one of them. My other destination was up by like Picture Rocks, all the way at the top there. Or I'm going to head up all the way up to that waterfall. Most likely I'll be heading up to that waterfall. I got kind of a late start. I always get out of town about 11 o'clock. I don't know what it is. By the time I slowly move around. And really, all I got to do is like grab 3 bags out of my place. So, because everything else is in my truck. So, alright. Well, I think I'm going to be heading up depending on the drive. So, enough with the so's. I will catch you guys later. Peace out. Have a good one. See ya. After driving 3 or 4 hours, finally made it to camp. It started getting a little dark, but I did manage to do a little bit of a hike, saw a really cool flower, and started dinner. Meat Lover's Pizza. I toasted the top part of it in the pan, heated it up, put my hamburger, onions, barbecue, pulled pork on it, and now I'm going to add the cheese to it. Of course, you put the sauce on and stuff like that, but now I'm going to put the cheese. Well, I'm watching the Adventures eating pizza. And the pizza, I don't know if you can see it, but it turned out great. Secret of it is you got to really toast that bottom part. And, yeah. So, and there we go with the show again. I know I'm eating late, but I met a lot of really cool people today that are doing full-time RVing and stuff like that. And I had to get firewood, even though I'm not burning the firewood tonight, but it's good for the next couple nights. I wrapped the strap around it, wrapped it around my shoulder and carried it back. It was huge. I had a lot of people laughing at me because I was carrying it with my my little my baby Harley. Anyway, I'm going to eat this, watch the movie. Guys, peace out. Have a great night, and I'll catch you on the flip side. See ya! Had great weather the whole trip. The next morning, got up, beautiful blue skies. Started cutting up the firewood that I collected. Well, when you're out, I always like to look for firewood. And when you're out, you can buy firewood or you can look for dead stuff laying around. I like looking for dead stuff laying around. Hatchet, hammer, take the log, boom, 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 split it. And I'm doing things a little harder. Small handsaw. Keeps me in shape. You can use a chainsaw for the bigger logs and stuff like that. Electric ones are cool because they don't make a lot of noise. electric chainsaws. I don't know how much the battery life lasts on them. And of course you can go with a different saw too with a lot bigger teeth. I need to pick one up. I've had this for 20 years. Now I'm showing my age. But it works real well. Cut it, split it, fire. Hey, guess what time it is? Inflatable kayak time. What?
In 1,000 future lives, and with that, I bid adieu.
Brian and Major likes bacon. Okay, this is Brian's dog, Major. Major, say hello. We're going to make you a YouTube sensation.
See, I'm already famous.
Absolutely.
You roll over?
You should.
Show me a roll over. You want a treat? Roll over. Oh. Has a half. It is uphill.
That's pretty cool. Oh, that's a good enough rollover, I call.
He won't do it in a beanbag either.
Oh, that's pretty cool. All right, guys. After kayaking, collecting firewood, I decided to make a little bit of dinner. Breakfast is always great at dinner time. Scrambled eggs, bacon, bread. Then I put a little of that bacon grease on that fire. Check it out. It worked great for starting it, getting it really going. And then I turned in for the night. So I'll catch you guys in the morning. The next morning, decided to go and break the Harley out. Went for a little hike, found a nice flower, come across this. Loggers using different slides, wheels for carrying wood. Look at the wheels on that thing. Pretty neat. Also found a couple of sand dunes and a waterfall. In the distance there's a lighthouse, which is really kind of cool. And the sand dunes seem like they went on forever. Okay, out by Picture Rocks. This is one of the overviews. I don't know why anymore. I'm like, whoa. Heights. I don't know, man. Anyway, this is one of the overviews. There's a lighthouse that's way out there. So, actually it looks pretty cool. And then of course the other way, which I am wondering if this little trail here, this is probably nothing but poison ivy. Poison ivy. There we go. Oh, that's kind of a cool view. Look at all that sand dune. Look at that big old slide. Kind of cool. Alright, well, I might make my way back the other way. Last thing I need to do is fall down that thing. Alright, peace out. After I left the sand dunes, I jumped back on the Harley and found this really nice waterfall. A little bit more up north where I was camping. Pretty cool. After the sand dunes and the waterfall, decided to go back to the camp. Meat was brought to you by Marine Market, made some chicken parmesan. Yeah, let's see what time is it. Oh, it's about 4:30. I'm going to do a chicken parmesan tonight. Smash it all out, I think, and take my hammer to it. Dong, 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 dong. I got some breadcrumbs. I got some oil so I could deep fry that. Yeah, I think that's what I'll do tonight. Do that and some macaroni and cheese, maybe some green beans. Ooh, there we go. Okay, and there we have it. Chicken, Parmesan, green beans, a little bit of mac, and we are enjoying some cider from Thunder Bay Winery for dinner. Look at that. What a way to cap it off. Alpena, Michigan. There's a link in my video down below. Man, I am going to grub out. So, I will catch you guys later. Peace out. See ya.
I heard the call. Letters on paper thrown away. The story ends untold. My will survives in 1,000 future lives. And with that, I bid adieu.
Boy, what I won't do for my fans on my YouTube channel. Hiking 3 miles. I've got to be getting close. Everybody keeps saying, oh, you're getting close, you're getting close, you're almost there. Yeah, 5 miles later. Anyway, it is cool. Oh, I can see the water. Oh, I'm coming up on it. I'm going to spin it around. Oh, Lord. This is the tree on the rock, or whatever it is. Oh, wow. Area closed. Help us picture Chapel Rock. Travel by. Okay. See, check it out. No, we can come up here. Oh, look at that. Too cool for school. It's like a hobbit house. Wow. Really, really awesome. Oh, and there's the beach. Okay, well, sweet tree on the rock. Anyway, I'm gonna take some pictures and I'm gonna spice everything together. I made it. See ya. After a whole day of hiking, went back, made some pork chops by Marine Market, and the next day I just hung out with this little guy. Decided to do a night paddle that late afternoon. Saw some great views, some ducks. Just enjoyed myself for the last night at camp. That was another adventure. Left the camp this morning. There's about 5 other things I could have done, but you know what? That's for another time. That's right. I will definitely be coming back and staying at that campground. I really liked it. So I am, it's probably about a 3-hour tour. I get it, 3-hour tour. All right. Anyway, back home. Anyway, it was fun, had a blast, howled at the moon, went kayaking at night, got tons of photos, did a great hike, which totally kicked my booty. I need to get back into shape. Alright guys, peace out. I hope you liked all the videos and photographs. If you did, give me thumbs up, subscribe, and touch the little bell. Peace out. See ya on the next camping adventure with Russ. Camping Russ. See ya. Brian Waller's YouTube channel and his dog Major. Check him out.
Letters on